Friends, when you want to add your file or your video to your Padlet, do it usually pop up like this, file too large? Yes, maybe your video is more than 250 MB or megabyte, and you need to change your account to Padlet Pro or not. You cannot add that file, right? But you don't need to change your account to Padlet Pro because I have this website that will help you. First, type videosmaller.com in a new tab. And then you will end up here, right? Just browse your video from your device and it will end up here. Okay. After that, click Use Low Compression Level, so your video will be in the best quality. Then pick the scale that you want. I recommend you to pick 720 because if you pick that one, your file's size won't be too big or too small. And then click Upload Video. But if you want your video's audio to be removed, then click Remove Audio from Video. Okay, we need to wait for a while. Maybe it's quite long because your video is quite long too. If it's 5 minutes, then it'll probably take 2 minutes. But if it's only seconds, then maybe it will just pop up right now. Okay. If you have already finished, then okay. Now, this is already finished. You can download your file. Click Download File. And do not click Delete File now if you haven't successfully downloaded that file. If you have already successfully downloaded that file, then click Delete File now so your video won't be saved in Video Smaller. Okay, file deleted successfully. Now, try adding that same video that you have downloaded, the new one, not the old one that we haven't changed the size, to your Padlet. Okay, let's try. Okay, can you see it? It's downloading. Here. Yay! This is my video. Now, everybody can enjoy.